Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at making videos in Grok Imagine. In order to do so, here we are at grok.com, and you can also find this in the app for Android or for iOS. But here on the desktop version, we're going to find Imagine here on the left-hand side. We're going to click on that. And here you can see a variety of other things that other people have created. Down here, you're going to find your favorites. This is stuff that you have been working on. So if you want to pick up where you left off, this is where you can do that. But if you want to just jump straight into making videos, over here, you're going to see where this says image. You're going to want to make sure that this is set to video. And then here, you can type in your prompt. So let's go ahead and try something out here. Actually, let's go ahead and do this just because I think this is kind of a fun way of going about it. Let's ask Grok to give us a cool prompt for a video. Okay, then we're going to just copy that. So this is a little bit of a pro tip. If you want some help, we're going to type that in there. And now we're going to fire that off. And now Grok is going straight into it, also giving us some options here at the bottom as well. But immediately it's going to start generating a video. You can see here the progress indicator. We'll just scroll down here so you can see for yourself some of the options we got. This one's super cool. There's some really neat stuff here. So yeah, you can just kind of scroll down and find which one you like the best, which ones you like the best. Then you just click on this little icon here, the play icon, and it will start to make a video. Go ahead and start back up. And here we go. We've got our video. Pretty cool, pretty cool. A little bit of strangeness there in a couple parts, but for the most part, really, really neat. Let's go ahead and go with this one here, just because I thought this one looked really cool. So we'll go ahead and click on that. And we'll just click on that so we have it on focus. We kind of got the same thing here now. It's going to give us more images to play with. Really quite generous with what it allows you to do. So there you go. Now, when it comes to video generation, kind of par for the course, sometimes you're not always going to get what you want, but that's where you're going to have to dial things in with the prompt here. So let's try. Let's just do one drone because otherwise it might get confused. So we'll go ahead and send that one off. Just take a look here at some of the other ones. This one's really cool as well. Might have to do something with that one. That one's very neat. Yeah, still not quite getting what we want, but that gives you at least an idea of how that works. So what I'll do now is I'm going to go ahead and download this, and we're going to throw this into our Discord channel. And we would love to have you over in our Discord channel. We're posting helpful information there on AI animation. If you are working on projects and you're looking for a small community to be a part of that's growing, then head over to our channel for no comment. And we've got some courses here for you too. We've got a free course that takes you through some of the basics of AI animation. And we've also got a paid course on WAP for $30. Will take you through our process so you can make your own music video masterpieces. And this is really up-to-date information. Now, when it comes to AI animation, really there's no right or wrong way. There's so many different tools that are out there, but I take you through my process to show you how I go about it, and that will give you an idea there. So we'd love to have you over on our Discord. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials. Follow us on Discord and check out our promotions. We've got some great promotions there for you, including Sintra. If you click on the link for Sintra, you can get 60% off your subscription. And Sintra is a wonderful tool for business strategy. If you are a new business owner or an established business owner and you're looking for an edge, check out Sintra. It's a fantastic tool. It's one of my favorites. Also, check out Cider as well. Cider is an extension that allows you to ask questions of some of the top AI models available and get the answers you're looking for. It is also one of my favorite tools. I use it all the time. Finally, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.